Bubble washing machine is made of SUS 304 stainless steel, which conforms to the National Food Export Standard. The cleaning machine adopts high-pressure spray cleaning. The cleaning ability is large. The cleaning rate is high and does not damage the material, especially suitable for delicate aquatic product, fruits and vegetables, impurities, difficult to remove food cleaning. Can be combined with the screen plate, mesh bell-type cleaning machine. IT replaced heavy manual labor and realized the mechanization of agricultural products. Washing machine. The below features. 1. The fuselage is made of 304 stainless steel, which is more durable than ordinary 201 stainless steel and fully conforms to the national food grade requirements. 2. Higher washing rate saves labor and water and electricity so as to get the maximum return with the least investment. 3. Stable equipment performance, reliable quality, perfect after-sales service, no worries at home. 4. Different types of special cleaning machines can be customized according to different uses and products.